Good morning, dear students. Last time we had completed exercise 14.2. Now we will start exercise 14.3. Question number 1. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 customers of a locality. Find the mode, median, and mean of the data and compare them. Okay. So in this exercise 14.3, we have to find out mode, median, and mean. All of these we have to find out and we have to compare it. Okay. So first of all, we have to find mode. So first, write down mode. For mode, first of all, we have to find out model class. Okay. So first of all, we have to check the highest frequency. So highest frequency is 20. So 125 to 145 is the model class. So here highest frequency is 20 or maximum frequency is 20. So here highest frequency is 20. Therefore model class is 125 to 145. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out F1, F0, F2, then L and H. So F1. So frequency of the model class is called F1. So here model class is 125 to 145. So 20 is equals to F1. Next, previous frequency of the model class is called F0. So F0 equals to 13. And succeeding class the frequency is called F2. So F2 equals to 14. And lower limit of the model class is called L. So L is equal to 125. And H is equals to class 10. So here 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125. So class 10 will be 20. So H is equals to 20. Now we have to apply formula of mode. So mode is denoted by capital Z. So Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by 8. Now we have to put the value of F1, F0, F2, L and H and simplify it. So the value of L is 125 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 is 20 minus 13. So here write down 20 minus 13 whole divided by 2F1. So we have to multiply by 2 to F1. So 20 into 2 40. So 40 minus F0 is 13 and F2 is 40. So 13 minus 14. Minus 13 minus 14 multiplied by 8. 8 is 20. Okay. Now simplify it. Is equals to 125 plus 20 minus 13. So 7 divided by 40 minus. Here we have to add negative numbers. So 13 plus 14. So 27 multiplied by 20. Now we have to subtract 40 minus 27. So 125 plus here we have to multiply it. So 7 into 20. So 140 divided by 30. Okay. So is equals to now divide it 140 by 30. Okay, so answer will be 10.77. So 125 plus 10.77. Therefore Z is equals to 135.77. It gives the mode. So Z is equal to 135.77. Write down. Next, we have to find out median. Okay. First of all, formula for finding median for group data. Okay, is write down first. N is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by L. So here we have to find the value of N, CF, F and H. Okay. Already the value of N and H is given in question. H is equal to 20. So we have to find out L and CF. So L is the lower limit of the median class, and CF is nearer value of the median class. Okay, so first of all we have to find out cumulative frequency CF. So how to find CF? So first of all we have to write down first frequency over here, so 4. Next we have to add next frequency to here, so we have to add 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Next we have to add in next frequency, so we have to add in these, so we have to add 13 plus 9. Okay, so 22. Now same thing we have to add in next frequency, so 22 plus 20, so is equals to 42. Same thing we have to add in next frequency, so 14 plus 42, so 56. 56 plus 8. Same thing we have to add in next frequency, so 56 plus 8, 64, and 64 plus 4, 68. So it gives the value of n. So here write down 68 is equals to n. It gives a sigma fi. Now we have to write down the value of L, n by 2, CF, F and H first. So write down here. So first of all we have to find median class. So for finding median class we have to find out n by 2. So here n is equals to 68. Therefore n by 2 is equals to 34. So 34. So now we have to check this value in CF column. Okay. So next value of 34 is 42. So again 125 to 145, it is called a median class. Okay. So here therefore median class is 125 to 145. 125 to 145. So same thing here, lower limit of the median class, it is called L. So L is equal to 125. So L is equal to 125. Next we have to find out CF. So cumulative frequency is 22. We have to take previous frequency of the CF. So CF is equal to 22. So write down CF is equal to 22. And F is median class, frequency of the median class. So F is equal to 20. So write down F is equal to 20. And H is equal to 20. Now we have to apply formula. So write down M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. Now putting the value of L, CF, F and H, so 125 plus the value of n by 2 is 34. What did you have to find out first? Divided by 2. So 34 minus the value of CF is 22. So 22 whole divided by F is 20. So here write down 20 multiplied by 20. Again the value of H is 20. Now 125 plus 34 minus 22. So 12. Here 20 cancel out. Now simply we have to add 125 plus 12. So 137. Therefore n is equal to 137. Note down first.
Thank you.
Next and last same question, we have to find out mean. Okay, here classes will be same, so we have to apply step deviation method. So what is the formula for finding mean by using step deviation method? So formula we have to find out FI/UI. So first of all, next column will be midpoint. So midpoint find out, and then we have to find UI, and lastly we have to find out FI/UI and find sigma FI/UI. So next column is midpoint or mean value xi. So how to find midpoint of given class? So simply again I will repeat. We have to addition of lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here 65 to 85. So 65 plus 85. So 65 to 85. So 65 plus 85 divided by 2. So it gives 150 by 2. So 75. So answer is 75. So here 150 by 2, answer will be 75. So xi is of the first class is 75. Next simply we have to add the class length of the xi. So we have to add simply 20. So 75 plus 20, 95. Same thing we have to add 20 in various xi. So 95 plus 20, 115. Next again we have to find 20. So 135. Next 135 plus 20, 155, 155 plus 20, 175, and 175 plus 20, 195. Okay, next column is UI, because we have to find out FI/UI. So next column is UI. So write down UI. UI is equals to xi minus a divided by l. It is the formula for finding UI. And last column we have to write down here. Last column is FI into UI. Okay. So first of all we have to suppose assume it A and then find UI. Okay. So the value of A we have to suppose over here 135. So A is equal to 135. Now find out the UI. So xi minus a divided by a. So the value of xi and the value of a both are same. So 135 minus 135 will be 0 divided by 20 because it is 20. So answer will be 0. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 8. We have to find out by using this formula. Here 1, 2, 3. Lastly we have to find out multiplication of FI/UI. In these two columns we have to find out. Here 4 into minus 3 minus 12, 5 into 2 minus 10, 13 into minus 1 minus 13, here 0, 14 into 1 14, 2 8s are 16, 3 4s are 12. So we have to find out here sigma FI/UI, because we have to use in this formula sigma FI/UI. So for finding addition we have to find first negative numbers, addition of negative numbers and addition of positive numbers, and then we have to subtract. So here 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 1 2 3, so minus 35. Here 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12, 1 2 3 4 42. So minus 35 plus 42, minus 35 plus 42, so 7. So answer will be 7 is equal to sigma FI/UI. Okay. And A is equal to 68. Already we have to find out. Now we have to apply formula of x bar mean. Third one and last is mean. It is denoted by x bar. X bar is equal to A plus sigma FI/UI divided by n multiplied by h. Now we have to put in the value of A sigma FI/UI, n and h. So we have to write down first. A is equal to 135. So 135 plus sigma FI/UI will be 7. So 7 divided by n. The value of n will be 68. 68 multiplied by 20 is equal to 135 plus, here first of all we have to cancel out 10 2s are and 35 4 twos are, again we will cancel out 17 twos are and 5 twos are, so 7 fives are 35 by 17. Now 135 plus okay, so 35 by 17 2.06. Now we have to add in 135, so 137.06. so x bar is equal to 137.06. Is it clear? Now note down. So final answer of question number 1 is answer median n is equal to 137, mod z is equal to 135.77 and x bar is equal to 137.06.